Hey guys, this is our WOD breakdown for the day. We have got 10 minutes of rolling. We have 5 minutes of cardio. You have those 20 Tibialis Raises, just like we've been doing. You can lean back against a wall and then lift those toes up as high as you can get them, lower them down, lift them up, repeat for 20. After that, we're gonna do the 10 Jefferson Curls, round everything over, hang it all down to the bottom, roll your spine, slowly up to the top, and very lastly, raise your head up. Once you get done with those, we're going to go into 10 PVC Pass Throughs. So you can just grab a PVC pipe or a broomstick, but you're going to take a long stick and work it up and around and down to the back, and then work it up and around and back to the front. That's a pass through. So you're going to do 10 of those. Don't use a barbell. It should be really, really light. The idea is to get a stretch, not to do any lifting. Once you finish those PVC pass-throughs, you've got 30 seconds of the Scap Reset. That's the one where you're going to put one hand up against a rig pole, lean forward, or a wall or whatever you've got. Everything's going to shoot backwards. Chest comes forward. Get your head neutral, and then lower your shoulder and elbow down. You should feel a little bit of tightening back here around the lats. Hold for 30 seconds, excuse me, and then do the other side for 30 seconds. Once you're done there, you've got 30 seconds of the pigeon. So the pigeon, you're gonna go down to the ground. Your front leg's gonna go out at about 90 degrees. Your back leg is gonna stretch back, and then you're just gonna lean forward until you feel that stretch, aiming your belly button towards your ankle. So hold, this is as far as I can go. So hold here, 30 seconds, and then flip it over and do the other side. For your EMOM today, we have dumbbell snatches. So you're gonna take a dumbbell from the ground all the way overhead in one motion. Then you're gonna bring it back down, repeat for 5, go to the other side, same thing, repeat for 5. After you get done with 5 and 5, you've completed one round. Today you have 12 rounds, so you're going to work your way through that. After you get done with that, we go into the main WOD. Today we are going to do a partner workout. If you don't have a partner to work out with, it's totally okay. This is really designed as an interval workout. So what it's supposed to do is have you work for a little bit, rest for a little bit. And if you and I are partners, then it gives us the opportunity to work a little bit harder, because while I'm working, you're resting. And while you're working, I'm resting. And we're going to share all of this work. We're going to go back and forth. And that allows me to work a little bit harder because I know I have a rest break coming. And then because I've rested, I get to work a little bit harder also. So the intensity is going to be a little higher, but it's going to be work, rest, work, rest. So the way it's going to go is, you have 15 minutes to do as many rounds and reps as possible. You're going to start off with 2 minutes of cardio. Now your partner and you are going to split that 2 minutes however you want to. And here we're going to row. So if I've got a partner who's a super good rower and they want to do most of the rowing, they're more than welcome to. Maybe I'll do more reps on the next movement. It doesn't have to be even. It can be. If you want to split it 50-50, you're more than welcome to. So then in that case, one partner would do a minute of cardio, ride a bike, run, row, swim, your choice. But once you finish your minute, you tag your partner, they do their minute. Now you're going to be on to the 50 up downs. Now on an up down, that's a half of a burpee. So you're going to go hands to the ground, pop your feet back up, and then stand up. You can also step. So bring your hands down, step back, step up, and stand back up. You have 50 reps, you and your partner. It doesn't matter how you split them. I could do 10, you do 10, I do 10, you do 10, I do 10. That ends up me doing an extra 10 compared to you, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be even. I could do 25, you could do 25. You could do all 50 if you really love up downs. It's totally up to you. But you get to choose how you attack that as a team, and then you split that up however you want. Once you're done with those 50 up downs, you got another 2 minutes of cardio, and then you have 50 reps of back squat. You could use a barbell and put that bar on your back and pick it up this way and back squat. If you have access to a barbell, you could take it from the ground if you want. If you've only got dumbbells, I'm going to use one just to show, but you would use two. The easiest way to make a back squat work is to hold the head of the dumbbell and then put it as far back as you can get it, so the weight's kind of behind you. And that's going to move that center of weight behind you, which is going to change your posture in the squat, which will change the emphasis on your legs. So then you'll squat holding those dumbbells here. And you'll do your 50 reps, or however many you are going to do, and split that with your teammate. Once you're done, you have another 2 minutes of cardio. Then you're going to do straight leg sit-ups. So on that one, it's exactly what it sounds like. You're going to leave your legs out straight, lay back, touch the ground, sit up, and reach as far as you can reach. Once you get there, that's 1 rep. Repeat that for 50. Once you're finished with that 50, you've completed 1 whole round. If there's time left in your 15-minute clock, start it back over at the top and just work your way back down. Every rep counts, and when you're doing your cardio, every second counts as a rep. So in 2 minutes, it's 120 reps, if that makes sense. So when you're going to record your score, you're going to record how many rounds you completed plus reps, which will probably be 1 plus whatever you get. Anyway, you guys have a good time with it, and we'll catch you on the next one.